Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas 2020. It's December 3rd and it's 3 p.m. right now, and I think this is becoming my new favorite corner to shoot the videos, and I think you guys will see this area more often now. But yeah, so what I have been doing since morning, I was done with my assignment that I completed yesterday. I gave 4 quizzes. Yeah, that was also done, and it's the term end time, and so many assignments and things are piling up. So at that point of time, whenever one gets done, it's so amazing that like it gives such a happy feeling that okay, one thing is done. But yeah, so I was doing that, then I had my lunch, and now I am shooting today's vlog. And first what I have to do is I have to do the product shoot of all the candles that I showed you guys yesterday. So as I told, like few of them will be up for sale as well, so I have to do shoot for them. So I'll be doing that right now, and after that, once I'm done with that, I have an internship call scheduled, so I'll be doing that. And today we are going to set up our Christmas tree finally, yay! But yeah, that's the schedule for today, and yeah, now we'll just go and shoot the pictures so that I'm done with that work before my internship call. And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I'm done with the product shoot of the candles and some other stuff as well that I wanted to shoot for. And as you can see, I just created a base and used some props from my home itself. And I have a detailed video on how I do my product shoot in one of my previous videos, and I'll link that video here and in the description box below. So if you want, you can check that out as well. And these days, yeah, I am using this area a lot for my videos and product shoots because during the times of winter, the light here is more appropriate for my product. So I'm using this corner right now, this sofa actually right now. But yeah, that is how I do my product shoot these days. And now I'll be taking a break for some time, and then I have to go attend my internship call. And after that, when I'm done with that, we will be putting up our Christmas tree finally, and I'll take you guys along with me in decorating that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in some time. guys, my Christmas tree is all set and I have added the lights as well, and this was pretty much it for today. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also I'll leave a link to the video in which I made these DIY ornaments as well in the description box as well as here, so you can go check that out. It was a part of my Vlogmas series only. And those of you who are watching my Vlogmas for the first time, one update for you guys, that a giveaway is going on my channel, so you can check that out, the details for that, on my day 1 video of Vlogmas 2020. And if you are an Indian resident, it would be great if you will take part in that. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. Now I'll go edit this video and get it uploaded for tomorrow. And yeah, I have some internship work to do, so I'll do that as well. But yeah, this was pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.